Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently. First of all, just open up the Snapchat application in your mobile, then tap on the profile picture in the top left corner and tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Now you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and come for this support section and simply tap on this I need help. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom again and simply tap on this manage my account. Tap on it and now you can see these options. Tap on this delete or reactivate my account. Now tap on this how do I reactivate or delete my Snapchat account. Now tap on this contact support and now here you have to submit a request and you have to tap on this I think my account was compromised and then scroll down and you have to fill this thing and then just simply tap on the submit button and they will respond to you, or you can delete your Snapchat account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.